Hello friends, how are you? Friends, it's individual soul, inner soul, and universal soul. IIU. First I is for individual soul, second I is for inner soul, and third U is for universal soul. Whereas if we start with universal soul, then we understand that inner soul and individual soul both are part of universal soul only. So I am another you. So the universal soul says that both of you are not different from me, all of you are one, right? So it is one soul manifesting through different elements in nature, through different species in nature, right? It's the same soul which is pervading everywhere, omniscient, omnipotent, and omnipresent, right? So, in order for us to unlock that highest potential which can see the universal soul, we do yoga, right? We do pranayam, we go inside and try and see our full potential, reach up to the highest potential. So, but needless to say that unlocking the potential, you have to practice a lot. You have to practice a lot. Lord Krishna told Arjuna in Gita that with consistent effort, with ceaseless efforts, with regular practice, you can control the vrittis and bring the mind to the level where it comes to be still. And once it is still, it is able to see its own universal soul, that which is manifesting the individual and the inner soul, right? So, in order for you to illumine in the light of universal soul, if you understand the yuj, again yuj, why? Because as long as the body is there, yoga is there. Because your mind, your intellect, and your soul, all the three have to be united. And the basic art which is represented through this body of the union is nothing but yoga, right? So, and also measured breath, measurement of the body and the proportion, and also feeling all three together and manifesting them all three together is the art of yoga, pranayama, meditation. And needless to say, I had fortified cereals, I had egg yolk, because my vitamin D is less. So whatever kind of practice you do, don't you think that vitamin D is going to be made out of all this? No. You still have to take vitamin D in the capsule form or in the pouch form.